Well, viewers, it's been over 48 hours since the death of 28-year-old Nevin Delvin, 25-year-old Shreya Yadav and 25-year-old Tanya Soni in the flooded basement of their IS coaching center in Old Rajendra Nagar. Even as 7 arrests have been made so far, and the MCD has started sealing illegal basements of coaching institutes in Delhi. As 3 lives are lost and questions are being raised over the apathy in Delhi, just 6 kilometers from the site where these aspirants lost their lives, the India Bloc is staging a protest over Kejriwal's health. This is their solidarity for the Aam Aadmi CM, but not for the Aam Aadmi. My colleague Sabyasachi is joining us from the spot. Sabyasachi, protest taking place. This is very, very close to the location where 3 lives have been lost. The UPSC aspirants lost their lives. The entire nation is outraged. Protest taking place, and it has nothing to do with with what has happened, with the negligence which led to the loss of lives. And instead, we have protests taking place for Arvind Kejriwal.
Well, absolutely, that's right. The Aam Aadmi Party has called for a protest here at Jantar Mantar here in the national capital, where several leaders of the India Bloc, be it from the Samajwadi Party, the Trinamool Congress, the CPIM, NCP, Sharad Pawar, all of them are here at Jantar Mantar extending their support to Kejriwal. Now, Aam Aadmi Party and the India Bloc leaders are extending their support to Arvind Kejriwal, blaming guns towards the central government over the misuse of central agencies. But they are not speaking on what happened at Old Rajendra Nagar, how the incident took place and how, unfortunately, 3 students have lost their life. On the other hand, some of the Aam Aadmi Party leaders who were speaking from the stage, including Gopal Rai, in fact, has blamed the central government for this incident. Now, Gopal Rai says that the Supreme Court, in fact, had granted the Delhi government the power to run the state, but the central government had brought an ordinance to change that decision. And now, in fact, the Delhi government does not have any power. And at this particular time, when people are asking who to blame, now it is the BJP and the Lieutenant Governor who are running away. So clearly the Aam Aadmi Party here from the Jantar Mantar stage are blaming the BJP over the mishap that took place at Old Rajendra Nagar, calling this incident very unfortunate and all the blame.
Okay, Sabyasachi, in fact, we can hear the voices of the leaders. Bhagwant Mann speaking on stage, and what's ironic is that during the protest, they're saying, "Hum desh bachane wale log hain," and here lives have been lost, and yet nothing has been done. Viewers, we want to hear from you. What do you think of this protest? The Jantar Mantar joke on justice, where the Aam Aadmi Party leaders along with the India Bloc leaders are continuing their protest just 6 kilometers away from where the students are protesting and even threatening to go on a hunger strike. Ganesh is joining us from Chennai. Thank you for joining us. Mr. Ganesh, what do you think of the protest of the India Bloc?
India Bloc has got nothing to do other than doing politics, and they never care about the public. Whenever it is convenient, they go to the houses of the people who have been who have died and make a Photoshop of it. Other than that, they do nothing. And our party came to clean everything, but they are cleaning only lives by their apathy and their inaction, just by blaming others and trying to save their mistake.
Okay, so the students have been protesting, 3 lives have been lost, and they say that they have not got any response from the Delhi government. They say that accountability seems to be missing. The Aam Aadmi Party has shifted the onus to the Delhi LG, has shifted the onus to the centre, but has not spoken about the lapses that have taken place. Remember, the students are also raising questions, and they have said that the violations had been raised, with a complaint being raised just a month before the incident, and yet nothing was done. Let's go back to my colleague Sabyasachi. He's joining us from Jantar Mantar, where the Aam Aadmi Party leaders are protesting. Sabyasachi, viewers also outraged because questions are being raised. Is this the time for the Aam Aadmi Party leaders to be protesting at a spot? And It's extremely shameful that this spot is just 6 kilometers from where the tragedy has taken place, and they are protesting not even over this incident, but over Arvind Kejriwal's health.
Absolutely, and it will show you the visuals of the protest. I request my camera person just to pan and show you the visuals of the protest, the leaders who are on stage. See, it is Bhagwat Mann who is on the stage. You can see Manoj Jha from the RJD, in fact Sunita Kejriwal, P. Raja, Sitaram Yechury, Gopal Rai. All these tall leaders are present out here. Now, the people itself are quite anguished with the fact that they are not happy with the Aam Aadmi Party holding a protest on Arvind Kejriwal, but not on the Rajendra Nagar mishap that happened. Clearly, it is the people of the national capital who have been raising. See here, some of the leaders, including Gopal Rai, they have spoken about the issue of the old Rajendra Nagar, but they have put a blame game on the Lieutenant Governor and on the LG. Either than taking owners, they are putting the blame on the Lieutenant Governor and the BJP for not acting. They are saying that it is the BJP because of the LG's fault that this particular situation has happened. We are seeing that the political blame game is going on, but at this particular point, when the leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party as well as the other leaders of the India bloc are present at Jantar Mantar, which is just 6 kilometers away from the location where this incident happened. But it is not the every single leader who are present out here condemning what has happened. Who are the people who are responsible behind it, whether it is the Aam Aadmi Party or whether it is the BJP. So clearly at this particular point, all we are seeing is the blame game that is going on.
Okay, Sabyasachi, do we know if after the protest at least these leaders will spare a few moments to meet the students who have been protesting for over 48 hours now?
Well, Pratibha, as of now, it is not clear whether the Aam Aadmi Party leadership would be going there or not. But as of the plan, they would continue their agitation here in Jantar Mantar till 5 p.m. against the illegal arrest of Arvind Kejriwal, where they have invited several leaders of the India bloc. It is not clear whether they would be going to Old Rajendra Nagar to meet with the students who have been protesting over there for 2 consecutive days. But as of now, as per the plan that has been given by the Aam Aadmi Party, they would continue their agitation regarding the illegal arrest of Arvind Kejriwal till 5 p.m. here at Jantar Mantar.
Okay, so the protest is for Arvind Kejriwal, for the Delhi Chief Minister. Not a word to say about the 3 lives that have been snuffed out because of the criminal negligence of the authorities. Priyank is also joining us, and Priyank, you were also reporting from right outside Rajendra Nagar, the institute where the unfortunate tragedy took place. The students have been protesting for 48 hours now. They say that they have been demanding justice. Not much has happened except for a few politicians offering token statements and token condolences. The students are demanding for accountability. Nothing has happened, and instead you have just 6 kilometers away from the spot the Aam Aadmi Party leaders protesting for Arvind Kejriwal.
Yes, certainly. That is the question which we have been asking since the morning, that if there is an issue of life and death of people who are living in the national capital from all across the country, because the 3 students who lost their life, about not only from the national capital, they came from Kerala to Telangana, and one student was also from the state of Uttar Pradesh, who also had some origin from Bihar. They are dying, but the fact of the matter is that the Aam Aadmi Party is only concerned about the health of Delhi Chief Minister, who is getting medical treatment according to the Tihar protocol, and which is also under the Aam Aadmi Party government, and they are also given assistance.
And yet there's been no accountability yet, and that's the unfortunate bit.